We got going on, man. We on the grill. We doing it. It's spooky. Oh, it's really there. Oh, yeah, they really in there. Really get cooked, smoked out. It's an up and smoke tour, man. But Dr. Dre, Eminem, and 50 Cent ain't here. You dig? Up and smoke, baby. That's what you gotta know. Real simple, man. You don't gotta do all the extra stuff, man. Just make sure everything is clean, well seasoned, and well cooked. No blood. I don't cook nothing medium rare. Everything is well done around here. Everything. Grilled cheese sandwich, eggs, whatever. Everything well done. I'd rather eat something burnt than undercooked. Upload another video right now. But yeah, man. Go get my grill apron on, man. Like, share, and subscribe, man. Y'all want to see the results. Let's go, man. I don't like a bunch of people tuning in. You ain't clicking that like button. You need to be subscribing. Because I'm constantly uploading more and more content. And once I get to a certain point with giveaways and doing special things for subscribers, if you're not a subscriber, you ain't gonna be a part of it. Join the movement now. Don't do it when I get famous. Do it now when I'm on my way up. Be a part of this now. Be a part of the movement now. Like, share, and subscribe. LeBron Legacy Podcast, baby. Big things popping. Little things topping.